How do you burp a coolant system? Have you ever wondered how to keep your car's engine running smoothly? One important task is burping the coolant system. This process helps remove trapped air that can cause overheating. Let's break it down step by step so you can do it yourself. First, make sure your engine is cool. This is really important to avoid burns. Carefully open the radiator cap or the coolant reservoir cap. If you are unsure, use a cloth to protect your hands. Next, fill the radiator or reservoir with the right type of coolant. It should reach the recommended level. If you have a funnel, use it to prevent spills. Now, start your engine and set the heater or climate control to the hottest setting. This helps the coolant circulate through the engine and heater core. Keep the radiator cap or funnel open so you can see what happens next. As the engine warms up, the thermostat opens up, allowing coolant to flow. You will notice air bubbles rising and escaping. This is the burping process in action. To help push out trapped air, gently rev the engine to about 2,500 to 3,000 revolutions per minute. This helps move the air out more effectively. Keep an eye on the coolant level. It may rise or fall as air escapes. If it drops below the full level, just add more coolant to keep it topped up. Continue this process until you see no more bubbles and the coolant level stabilizes. This may take a few heating cycles, so be patient. Once you are done, turn off the engine and let it cool completely. After it has cooled, check the coolant level again and top it off if necessary. Finally, securely replace the radiator or reservoir cap. Learning how to burp a coolant system is a great skill for teen drivers. It helps keep your engine running smoothly and can save you money on repairs later. Always remember to be careful when working around a hot engine. Using gloves can help protect your hands from burns.